Guys, seems like there's been some chaos here. Let's see what's the chaos. I have pinned the camera to 0.6x. So let's see what's the chaos here. I can see a lot of people, vehicle. So this is the New Bengal. This is a city of Asansol. Asansol is also named as City of Brotherhood. Fucking Brotherhood. This is like the place near Dolly Lodge. This needs to be developed very much. Om Namah Parvati Patay Har Har Mahadev. There's an uncle sitting in an auto playing real game. All these people are spending so much of their time in reel, and that is making so much of money to all the content creators. Like simultaneously YouTube is coming up as a platform where both viewers and content creators are getting opportunities. Like viewers are getting new and very unique and exciting videos and contents, whereas creators are getting like a diverse market group where they can just perform their creativity and they can just penetrate into the market. The market is such a big, whatever. Let's see what happens. There's a Didi beside me. The weather is really amazing today. Something uncomparable. Work in this weather like this is a dream come for many. Let's take this way. No, let's take this way. I need to show you a lot of people, a lot of places. So there must be a celebration tonight here. There must be an evening party here, a reception or a marriage. So this is the New Bengal. I call it the BRTS, the Bengal Renaissance and Transformation System. So we are building a new state for tomorrow, which is going to be and this is going to be a third time when a renaissance is going to take place, a rebirth in all of our knowledge system is going to take place at West Bengal, just like what was happened during the 15th and 16th century at Europe, when all the authors and all the logic men came to a point, or they made a community, they discussed about their pointers without having any kind of belief and came up to a solutive answer. Similarly, Adharma is like crossing the peak here in Bengal and all of Eastern Hemisphere. So that makes a same thing happening again, like a renaissance, a rebirth, a new set of information which will be given to the people, so that the people who are like suffering, who are like just they have suffered a lot since their last 3 to 4 generations of all of them is going to like balanced get balanced. The universe follows a law, and that law's name is law of neutrality. There's no law above law of neutrality. So in case you have done anything very good, so be ready to face something very bad. In case you have done something very bad, be ready to face something very good. Eventually the life ends at a neutral point. So if it is a 0-0 game, so if you have like clicked 1+1, so you will have to suffer the -1, and once the +1 balances the -1 part, again you can leave the game at exact 0 where did you started, or else you can't leave the game till then. Motherfuckers, this is the best part of this. I'm sorry guys. ना बे दिल परदेसी नो तेन नित दा रोना पै जाऊंगा. So tourism and travel management. Traveling from one place to any other place, other than what was the environment you were living at. কোথাও যাবে না দাদা, এখানেই আছি. Supposedly, currently I'm living in a rainy season environment where in a year I face 6 to 7 months of rain, and so it would be an obvious that I would love sun very much. I would love sunrise. I would love a sunny day. I would love a bit colder weather, because I have seen a lot of rainy seasons. So what I have will not be the thing I would be wanting, and what I haven't experienced would be the thing I want. So that is something that we humans are usually trapped at. Whatever we have, we aren't satisfied, and whatever we want is the thing that we don't have it right now. So obviously I love a sunny day, I love a colder day, I love a day where I can just take a blanket and sleep in my room. A very very cold day, cozy day I can say. So whatever the supply is, the demand is created accordingly. If there is scarcity in terms of supply, there wouldn't be a exact demand that we were focusing upon. The forecasting method has to be, whenever we are opting or going for the forecasting method, we need to keep in mind that we have put up all our raw materials into very specific manner so that we get the desired output. I'm fucking this because I'm making this complicated for you guys. So let's do one thing. Let's take a chota the chill pill wala break, and we'll continue. Bye bye guys, love you.